Hello dear students. In this video, we are going to see two major elements. First one is the getting started part, in which we'll see the process of creating an account or signing into your Google account, a very simple step which probably many students would be knowing themselves. And then going forward, once we are signed in with the help of our Google account into YouTube, we'll be seeing how do we do the basic setup of a channel. So let's see this in the browser itself. So here I have opened youtube.com, and on the top corner you have the sign in button. When you click on sign in, it asks you to go ahead and log into your Google account. I probably believe most of you would be having a Google account. In case anyone is not having a Google account and wants to create it, there is this tab at the bottom which says create account. Click onto that. You'll see the form in which you are required to fill your first name, last name, your email address which you would like for Google, create the password, and complete the steps further by entering the birthday, gender, and other details of location and phone number. I'm not going up with these steps as I believe many of you would be knowing this or would already be having an existing Google account. Once this step is done, you can come out here and log in to your account. So let me go ahead and log into my Google account. Once I have signed in, I'll be landing into the YouTube interface with the account through which I have logged in being seen at the top, and then there is this interface of YouTube. The first basic set of things which we need to know is about something known as a channel. So if you want to go ahead and get involved in sharing videos with others and want to do it on a recurring basis in the form of vlogging or video blogging, it is necessary and a good initiative to create a channel first. The steps to do the same is that you go ahead and click on the My Channel tab, which is there on the top left hand side corner. Once you click onto it, it will ask you to create your channel. By default, the first and last name which you would have entered while creating your Google account will appear out here. A better idea in this scenario is to go ahead and click on this bottom link which says use a business or other name. As soon as you click out there, it will tell you to create a brand account name. Now this is very much necessary and important in case you want to go ahead and brand your product. From even basic marketing perspective, I would like you to think of a kind of a name which would be easy to remember, as well as something unique related to the videos and the content which you are going to share with your users. For example, if I would be interested in sharing videos related to technology, maybe I could have a brand name like Techno Knowledge. Or if I am interested in some videos related to probably food, I could be having a name like Indian Foodie. So depending on the main content which you are going to show up to your end users, you should go ahead and think of a nice name related to it and create a channel basis the same. Do remember, this is going to be the name which the end users will be seeing whenever they want to play your video or whenever the video appears on YouTube in the form of a recommendation or suggestion, or in the form of the video being played on YouTube. For example, if I go up on YouTube at the moment, again, on this page, you'll be seeing against each video, in the third line, there is some particular name. Like here, there is Mind Batteries, or here there is a name like Troll Times. So that is the name of the channel. So this is what we are trying to create in this brand name account out here. So for example purpose, so let me create something in the form of Techno Help. And so here I am having a mindset that I want to go ahead and help people with technology related videos. So once you are done with it, you'll click on create. As soon as you click on create, you'll be seeing this particular page where it says that your channel has been added to your Google account, and now you are ready to do the basic stuff related to your channel. The first and foremost steps which would be there to be done from your end is to add an image add across two set of images, one in the form of a small logo image and one in the form of a bigger image known as channel art. These two images would be something with the help of which people would be identifying your brand name. So once you have added that, the next step would be to go ahead and understand settings of the channel. So we'll see through those settings and details and more insights in our coming tutorial. Thank you.